I'm going to read a story, your favorite one, my also favorite, and children's. I'm going to read this one, but I have two. This is the pop-up one book, and this is the. They are same. I'm going to show you this page, then I'm going to read this one. Okay? Look. Can I turn the page? Okay, I'm turning the page and the next page comes. Look. Next page. She is. Look. You have to see like this. Look. They see in the table there no soup. So they are checking up. Who is there? They are impressed like this. What is like this? Look. They found her. You have to see like this now. They found her, but they don't do anything to her. They found Goldilocks. He shouted, "This is my bed. This is my bed. I don't like to do that. I don't do that like this. I share my bed to someone's." So, this is the end of the story. So, I'm going to read this book now. Okay? I'm going to read this story, and this is retold by my Skelly books. So, I'm going to start it now. 1 minute. Start. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. This book belongs to me. Okay? Once upon a time, there were three bears who lived in a house on the edge of a wood. Look, this is Mama Bear and Papa Bear and Baby Bear. Baby Bear is doing football. They are playing football, and Mama Bear is wiping their clothes and washing them like this. They are washed and they are clean. And Papa Bear is doing gardening. The soup is too hot, so they are going in a walk. Look, they are going a walk. I'm going to turn the page now. A little girl called Goldilocks was also walking in the wood. That day she had wandered too far from home while playing. She is playing and coming at the home. So she went inside, but there were no bear. But the bear was bear's house. But the bear were going to a walk away. So she opened the door and going inside. I'm going to turn the page now. Oh, I missed something. At last, Goldilocks came across the bear's house. The door was open, so she went in to have a look around. She have a look if someone is there or not. So no one is there. The bears are out. So I'm going to turn the page now. I will discuss tomorrow. Look, she found soups. What she will eat this one? This is too big. She can't eat this. This is too medium. She can't eat this. But she can eat this. So I'm going to read the words now. Goldilocks saw the three mouse. She tried the porridge. The porridge. Okay. The porridge in the biggest bowl, but it was too lumpy like this. Too big. Like this. The medium-sized bowl was too sweet. What sweet? We don't eat sweet things, so we should eat healthy things. But she will eat this one. I'm going to read the words. Porridge in the smallest bowl. Smallest like this. Smallest. Was just right. She can eat this one, so she ate it all up like this. Like this. Too lumpy. Lumpy means just right. This bowl is for her. It's just right. I'm going to turn the next page. So I'm going to like this. Next page. I'm going to show you the page. First I will show you the page, then I will read. This is too hard chair, and this is too small, and this is too bumpy like this. Ting, ting, ting. Too bumpy. So I will read the words now. After eating the porridge, Goldilocks decided to explore. She went into the living room where she saw 3 chairs. Look, a baby's teddy bear. You have to see like this. See your teddy bear now. Look at yo-yos. These are yo-yos. After it, Goldilocks decided to take it. I missed something. I missed the word. Room where she saw 3 chairs. She sat in the biggest, but it is too hard. We can't sit on the hard. And this don't help. Too hard, so we hurt this part. Look. So she tried the middle, and it was too soft. And she tried the smallest. It was just right for her. Too soft. This yo-yo are too soft. Too hard. This chair is too hard. But there is a pillow on it. I'm going to take the next page like this. Turn like this. Turn. The smallest chair was just right, but all of a sudden crash. Oh no! Now what will happen? The bear will come, they will impress, and the baby bear will not feel good. He cried. I'm seeing the next page, so I will read this. Okay. It broke into pieces. 4 pieces. 4. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, sorry, 5. It's 5 pieces. No, it's 4. All of a sudden, Goldilocks felt very tired. She went upstairs to find somewhere to sleep. She wants to sleep somewhere. So she is going upstairs to find somewhere to sleep. Like this. She decided long time and fell asleep. And rolled the teddy bear and fell asleep. There were 3 beds in the big bedroom. Goldilocks tried each of them. She tried this one, but it's too hard. And this one, it's little hard. Squanchy. And this one is too right for her. This one is too right. Very comfortable bed. My bed is also comfortable. The smallest bed was just right. Every time only smallest smallest bed. Like this only. Oh no, they returned, but the bowl was empty. Empty. The Goldilocks. Who it did? Who it did? Tell. Goldilocks. Now look what will come next. I'm turning the page, but I missed some words. When the three bears arrived home, they were very hungry. Like this, we burn like this. We have to say, sorry, I burped. But something wasn't right. Someone's been eating my porridge, growled Father Bear. Oh no! But who? Guess. Goldilocks! Someone's been eating my porridge, said Mother Bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, cried the baby bear. Oh no! What now? Goldilocks will not be safe now. The bear has come. Let's see in the next page. So I'm going to show the page now, and I'm going to read these words. The bears went into the living room. Someone's been sitting in my chair, growled Father Bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair, said Mama Bear. Someone's been eating in my chair. Wild shade, I'm going to said the baby bear. Okay? And they have broken it. It is broken. So now they are too angry. Like this. Angry. But nothing is that. It's just right. It's just right then. But this is not right. It will not fit now. They have to do sellotape, glue, everything they have to try. But not again. It broke. So I missed some words, but I'm going to skip them in the next page because I am so excited to see the next page. Like this, the next page. Stomp. Like this, stomp. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, roared Father Bear. And in my bed too, cried Mother Bear. But it's the baby bear's room. Someone's been sleeping in my bed, scolded baby bear. And she's still there. Goldilocks woke like this. Come here. What is there? What is there? What happened just like that? Look up to see the three bears. They found the three bears. Goldilocks leaped out of bed and ran down the stairs. She ran all the way home and went, what? This is a wrong story, but I'm going to like this story. Do you like it, this story? Made some, no. Home, and what did the bears do? They made some more porridge. She's scared. There is three bears. I can't fight with them. So the end. I'm going to stop the story now. So see you tomorrow, next Sunday. The moral is you should not go to anyone's place while telling anyone your mom and dad. Moral. The end. Bye bye. See you next Sunday.